I could eat this whole pan. I don't know how we're gonna have any leftover for lunches. I start cooking when my husband leaves work, giving myself 30 minutes on the clock. Tonight we're having chicken taco orzo. Let's see if I can beat the clock. You guys went wild for my taco orzo about a month ago, so why not try to make it chicken taco orzo tonight? In my pan I have some avocado oil that I've got heated up nice and hot. We're gonna drop in our chicken breast. This is just one breast that I cubed up. It's still a little bit frozen. That's okay. It actually cut really nicely since it was frozen. So far this chicken has just been seasoned with this Kinder's lemon and herb seasoning. I really wanted some citrus in this. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes on this side. While your chicken is cooking, go ahead and dice up a half of an onion. I only had red onion. I have one very finely diced jalapeno that I de-seeded, and I also scraped the inside just to get more of that spiciness out of it for our toddler. When your chicken starts to look like this on one side, go ahead and flip it over. It doesn't have to be perfect. Now that my chicken is cooked almost all the way through, we're gonna go ahead and pull it out and just set it to the side. Definitely smell the lemon in that. I don't know why, I just really wanted like a lemon chicken tonight, but then I realized that we're totally gonna do tacos because it's Tuesday. We eat tacos on Tuesday. There we go. Onion. Oh, I meant to save some fresh onion for the top later. Jalapeno. Orzo. Orzo! Gosh, I hope I have enough. 1 cup of orzo. Oh, that's perfect. Dabble more oil. And then let's just let this toast for a minute or two. This looks beautiful with the green from the jalapeno and then the red onion. Looks absolutely beautiful. Not normally a garlic press girly. I just don't think it's super consistent, but we are gonna use a garlic press tonight because I did not chop this up earlier and I still want some fresh garlic in here. We're gonna go in with 2 cloves. I also should mention that the storage on my iPhone is absolutely maxed out, so I do not have a lot of time to be recording tonight. So you're not gonna hear me talk a whole lot of extra. 2 cloves of garlic, stir that around, and then have your chicken broth at the ready. And this is good and toasty. We're gonna add in about 1 cup to 1.5 cups of chicken broth to cover the bottom of our pan here. I will add more later on. It's just gonna depend on how this is cooking. You wanna add your chicken broth, stir this around, break up any of the bits off the bottom of your pan, and then bring this to a boil. Now for that taco seasoning. I normally do just have a taco seasoning packet. I don't have any, but I do have this Simply Organic Southwest Taco Simmer Sauce, and I think that it's gonna work wonderfully in this. Never had it before. Hopefully it's not too spicy. Ooh, that looks good. Give a little taste. That's so good. It's not spicy even in the slightest. It will be absolutely perfect for our toddler. I'm gonna add that in now. We're gonna simmer in here with our orzo. It's got like a really good chipotle undertone to it. That's where all of our flavor is gonna come from. It's from that sauce packet. I like how much liquid there's in here, but I know I'm gonna want a little bit more, so add about another 1/2 cup to 1 cup. I've cooked orzo so much that I just do this all by eyeballing. Rolling boil, I'm just gonna stand here and continue to stir until that orzo gets nice and cooked. Surprised I didn't beat the clock because I was chatting, but I'll show you the end of this. Really liking the look of this. It started to absorb most of that liquid, and you can tell that the orzo is getting nice and puffy. So I'm gonna add the chicken back in at this point in time, all the juices as well, all that flavor. Let this simmer together for these last few minutes. Guys, I forgot to add beans. We're still gonna add them and just let them simmer.
How do you forget beans?
I don't know, I had them all ready to go. I know. Fiber maxing over here, we have to have beans. So we're just gonna heat the beans up in it. Obviously add them sooner if you're not like me and distracted. Taste test here. Let's get this plated up. Nice spoonful. We're gonna do a taste test so Derek can't come over and get his food right now. He's just gonna have to wait. I added some cheese.
Want to bet? Here I come.
You can get your food. You're good.
Do your taste test.
I added some shredded cheese, a little bit of lettuce, a big dollop of sour cream because shout out to Anderson Erickson, I love you, and then some red onion right on top of that. I saved that was fresh. It's like a burrito bowl, but with orzo. Doritos or chips would be so good. Tell me what else you would top this with.